So quarks are self-born. Okay, that's nuclear energy. All right, that's the Heavenly Father, the alpha, the first, the protons, proto, first. Okay, so now you have your nuclear energy. Okay, now these are going to be like micronova because quarks pop into existence. They'd be basically just popping. Okay, those are like micronova because that energy that they put out in a high energy state is going somewhere, and it's going to want to exist in a low energy state, which will become matter. Okay, these will become protons and neutrons. This electrical or this nuclear energy will become protons and neutrons. And the protons, they don't know if protons become neutrons over time, but we know neutrons become electrons, okay, through alpha decay or beta decay. This is when a neutron emits electron. It turns into an electron, okay? So literally, the nuclear carries the mother and the father force. Just like the male on Earth, humans, or animal, any animal, literally, I mean, the male carries the genes typically for both the male and female, okay? But on this, it's hermaphroditic, okay? Because any animal also, if it's the first of its kind, a primitive, like plants and stuff like that, they begin, early in their evolution, they always start hermaphroditically until they evolve into two separate genders, okay? This is the nature of the universe, okay? In our quantum physics, our biological life will mirror this exact process, okay? See what I'm saying? There's a connection here that the physicists aren't seeing, and it answers a lot of questions. So this Heavenly Father, this alpha, this male, would literally emit the omega, okay? So now you've got the protons, neutrons, electrons, all right? Now look, electrons will not react or interact with the strong force, okay? They will not interact with the strong force. Okay? It will remain in a soupy state. See, the neutron pretty much makes the electron blind to the proton. Okay? And there's a connection there. That the proton, or the neutron and the electron have a family, think of it, they're buddies, alright? The proton and the electron hate each other, okay? But the neutron keeps all the harmony between these two guys. See what I'm saying? So the neutron's there because, or the electron's there because the neutron and the electron coincide with one another due to the beta decay. Because the neutron emits or turns into an electron. See what I'm saying? So it will not react. Therefore, they will remain in a plasma type state. Okay, so now you have literally plasma. Okay, loose plasma. Just like how one of these little plasma orbs look. You'll basically have this, wanting to collapse in and become a singularity together, and then it will want to explode. Okay, now that's similar, like I was saying, to these multiple Big Bang theories, or the collapsing and coming and exploding and collapsing and exploding. It's literally the same thing. It will literally keep happening over and over and over. So all of it comes in and forms this singularity, real heavy and dense pure energy of carbon and nuclear and electric energy. See what I'm saying? It's literally just dust and ashes and potential energy. Completely nuclear, electric, and chemical. Which will revert back to ash over time once again. And during this time, the sons, or humans, sons of God, that are plasma, bioplasma, and its brothers, or its godlike being, companion, the star, the other brother, the other son of the universe, or the son of God, the plasma being, will live and die in the universe. See what I'm saying? Stars are alive just like humans are. We are one and the same. We are conscious. They are like a tree. But they're alive.